Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to turn on data access on iCloud.com on Mac. So Apple lets you decide whether your iCloud data can be accessed from iCloud website or not. When data access on iCloud is turned on, you can sign in to iCloud.com from web browser and access supported iCloud services like photos, notes, iCloud Drive, contacts, and more. This can be useful if you are using a different computer or simply want to access your iCloud data without using your Apple devices. So if you don't normally use iCloud.com, you may find this option turned off for extra security. But if you want to access iCloud data from web, you need to enable it first. And to do so, first click on the Apple menu and then choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, go to your Apple account at the top and here click on iCloud. After that, you can see a section called Data Access on iCloud.com. As you can see here, I have turned off this feature. So to turn it on, click on it and then enable the toggle right to allow data access. After that, a confirmation pop-up like window will appear. Here click on access on the web and finally click on allow access. And that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.